Kamusta po kayo dyan mga ka-foodies? I hope everybody's having a blessed day. So for today's video, we are making clams and mussels in ginger-based. So it's ginger-based soup. We call it tinola and air-fried fish. Let's go! So first, we're going to put our minced garlic. Next is our onions. And then, our ginger. Nigisa muna natin yan mga ka-foodie para lumabas yung mga katas at lasa niya. Up next, kung mga ka-foodies, ano na to? Pre-cook na ata itong tahong natin at clams. Gigisa lang natin at i-flavor natin ng tinola. And of course, we're gonna add our water. Tubig mga ka-foodies. Whew! Amoy na amoy guys, ang bango. Wow! Yan, kumukulo na po mga ka-foodies. So, we will put the spinach. Wow! Here you go mga ka-foodies. Tahong at clams. Tinola. Tara, mukbang na tayo. Ayun mga ka-foodies, luto na po ang tinolang tahong at mussels natin. Nilagyan ko pa ng sili yan, oh. Para mukhang maanghang, di ba? Meron po tayo rito pinritong Spanish mackerel. In-air-fry po natin yan. Ang bango. At of course, we have brown rice. Limited hindi unlimited rice. At meron po tayo rito 2 bigs. At to make it a little bit more exciting, ito masarap na hot sauce to, sriracha. At meron po tayo rito mga shoutout later on, okay? Not many like always, pero may shoutout pa rin po tayo. At may palaro po tayo mga foodies. Kapag nahulaan nyo ang exact weight ko ngayon, kasi nag-lose weight na po si Rick Foodie, and I am proud to announce that I'm happy with my eating habit now. Later on, huwag po kayo mag-alala, later on I will be eating some of the stuff that I ate before. But for now, healthy food is number 1 choice for me. Magdasal muna po tayo. Lord, maraming salamat po sa mga biyaya. Thank you very much sa mga blessings na binibigay mo po sa amin. And our helping our spirit to my body in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Alright. Shoutout nga pala, by the way. And also guys, I would like to shout out Alana's friends. Okay? Hello Alana's friends. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, let's start. Dahil gutom na po ako. Tara, kain na tayo. Saba muna, mauuna to guys. Wow, sarap. Tsaka yung patis, nilagyan ko ng patis to, walang salt. I just put fish sauce for flavoring. And of course, we add some spinach, di ba? Let's begin. Ayan look at that guys. Hope you have food in front of you para sabay-sabay po tayo kumain mga ka-foodies, okay? Like always. Sausaw muna natin yan dyan. Ang sarap. But, if you may notice, I'm wearing glasses because, you know, your boy Rick Foodie, bulag na. I've been needing glasses for a long time, but I've been stubborn, so. Woo! Ang thing's manghangs, man. Ang tahong, mentong clams. Wow. Inuulit ko. Kapag nahulaan yung exact weight ko, mananalo ko ng pera. I will wire you money, okay? Ginger. So, let's try the fish. Mausok-usok pa mga kapulis, oh. Ah. Fresh off the air fryer. Ayan, oh. Sausaw natin sa sabaw. Oh, sarap. It's good, man. Little bit of sriracha on there, buddy. I must say, I feel a lot healthier ever since I changed my my mukbang habit. Kasi kahit na kahit na hindi ako nagmumukbang, pumukbang pa rin ako eh. Even though I'm not filming, I feel like I was still mukbanging because I was eating the same. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Spinach is one of the best greens you can ever eat. Sarap to. At masustansya pa mga foodies. Buti na lang kahit paano nakapagmukbang pa tayo, no? Kasi talaga guys, I was gonna totally stop doing mukbang. Kasi I was thinking, if I'm not eating, kung hindi ako makain ng mga putok-batok, gano'n, wala manonood eh. Kasi that's what that's what Filipino wants to watch, man. Killing you slowly. But for the ones that appreciate healthy food, this is for you guys, okay? In my past 5 videos, that's all for you guys, because I know there's a lot of people out there still that enjoys people eating healthier food. Yon. Huh? And I want to thank you guys for still supporting my channel. Kahit na pa konti-konti, 1,000 rito, 1,000 ron, okay lang, I'm enjoying it anyways. Okay lang yan. Dating din tayo dyan. One day, mauuso rin ang healthy food. Healthy eating, Bagay ba? Comment down below guys what you think of my new eyeglasses. Kung bagay kay Rock Foodie. Mag-comment lang kayo dyan. Let me know. My goodness. Sarap. I can honestly say I eat this kind of food guilt-free. I don't feel guilty. Kasi noon, iniisip ko, sabi ko, my God, I want to stop eating Because I'm already pulling, you know, the food that I was eating is, I know. Yeah? Si Sai. Hold on. Yung anak ko. The food that I was eating is, I know it's unhealthy. But, you know. You guys come over. If you want.
Are you done?
Almost, but it's okay. But now, I can keep eating and I don't feel bad. Talagang enjoy ko, guys. And I don't feel sick after I eat. You okay, buddy? Daddy's eating, mukbanging, okay? Okay, you just stay there. You want some? Hey, come here. What are you doing? Oy! Si Silas mag-join sa atin. Okay, come here.
Okay.
Pati si Sai-Sai, oh. Okay, you don't shake that thing. You want some fish?
No.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, foodies.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Cute mo naman. Say hi, foodies.
Hi, buddies.
Don't touch that.
One, got 3 piece.
Okay, hold on. Not yet. I cannot play that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you want fish? No. I thought you gonna mukbang with me. Guys, sorry na-interrupt tayo ni Silas. Excuse me. Silas came and interrupted us, but it's okay. Hi daw. Say, welcome back to Daddy's channel. Say it. Oh, no. Say, welcome back to Daddy's channel.
Welcome back. Welcome back in this bit. Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Okay. You want to say hi?
Yeah.
Okay. Silas, Alana wants to say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, ito mga anak ko, guys.
Guys.
Mahal na mahal ko na itong mga to. Mahal ko na to. Mahal na mahal ko itong mga to. Because you know why? They keep me alive and going. Right, Sa?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Say, kamusta po?
Hi.
Okay. Okay, go to ate, okay? Okay. My God. Ayaw bumaba ni Silas. Okay, mga ka-foodies, tatapusin ko po to. After we do shout-outs, okay? Hold on. I'm gonna do shout-outs. Ate gonna give you. Ayan. Okay, mga ka-foodies.
Oh, you want jelly bean?
Mag-shoutout muna po tayo, ha? Okay. Robina Pring from Caloocan City. Mega shoutout. Rick Albert at Terumi Kabayashi. Yon. Mega shoutout. Marisa from La Trobe, California. Rosana Villas from Bulacan. Annalyn Anderson from Denmark. Jessie Pastrana. Maria Ganados. Nelia Grise from Bagor, Indonesia. At si Josephine Rodriguez from Nueva Ecija. Mega shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Thank you po. At maraming salamat po sa mga pag-suporta nyo kay Rick Rock Foodie. Enrique tuloy. Rick Rock Foodie. At huwag niyo pong kalimutan. Hold on. Oh, good. That looks good. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan mga foodies na hulaan ang exact weight ko. Mananalo po kayo ng pera. Hanggang dito na lang po. Until next time mga foodies, I'll see you in the next mukbang. Peace! Bye!